I'm Ahmed Daud, and in this session, we are going to start another module which will be non-parametric models. So, in that particular module, we will discuss just one model of machine learning, which will be decision tree. It is very famous and very common model, and it will be very easy to understand also. So till now, in that whole course, we have started from some fundamentals. We have learned some tools that usually use in the data science project. Then we moved on the machine learning part, and particularly supervised machine learning part we have started. By using that module, we can solve, or in that particular module of like a supervised machine learning, we usually solve two types of problems: regression problems and classification problems. We have started from the regression problems and we try to solve it by using linear model called linear regressor. We have discussed a lot of aspects of regression problems, aspect of linear regressor, aspect of performance measures, how we can evaluate our model. And the linear regressor is nothing but some mathematically some equation, some model. Okay. Then we moved on the classification part and we have discussed what type of classification problems are usually and how we can solve by using some linear model called logistic regressor. Again, it is nothing but some equation, and we have discussed a lot of aspect of that equation, that model, and we also have discussed some performance measures regarding binary classification and multi-class classification. So till now you have seen that linear regressor and logistic regressor. Okay, besides the other models, like these are the derivations of that models, like a polynomial regressors and max regressor. They are actually included in that, but more you can say broadly we can say we have discussed linear regressor and logistic regressor. Okay, so these are the linear models, and till now you know that in these models have some equations and there are some coefficients which we also call parameters that we try to calculate during the training process. We fix our parameters according to our number of independent variables. Like in the linear regressor, if we have three independent variables, we say that we have three coefficient and one intercept, and we have four parameters and we try to get some optimal values for these parameters during our training process. In the case of logistic regression, also the same type of case. So you can get an idea, we are having some parameters, some equations in our hand before starting of our training. Okay, but in that non-parametric model there is a little bit different. It's a different breed from the models that we have discussed. In that it is nothing that there is no parameter. It is just a different breed, and we will discuss that in more detail in the coming session. What actually the underlying difference between parametric models and non-parametric models. Also, we will discuss how decision trees are non-parametric model and what are their strengths and weakness. What are the challenges we usually face in decision tree and how we usually overcome these challenges. Okay, and this is all about the overview of that module. And in the next session, we will start our module non-parametric models.